take a branch. It has to be in PNG format, it has to be transparent. In this case, I will extend the image to 10 seconds. Then video basic. We're going to use a rotation here to add that swing. And if we were to do it now, you see that the branch is swinging really weird. And because it has a pivot point at the very center here, and we have to offset it. To do that, I will scale it down to a size that kind of matches here, something like that. And then I will drag it to the side because I know the anchor point is somewhere around the center here. Then right click, create compound clip. Now, if I rotate now, you will see that I have an anchor point, the pivot point right here. That's what I wanted to do. Take the branch, place it where you would like it to be, add some rotation, see how it fits for you. Place time indicator at the very beginning, and where is rotation, add a keyframe by pressing on this button. Then take this indicator and place at exactly half of the total length of this image, so that is a 5 seconds in my case. And what I will do, I will press on these buttons here, either up and down, just to change the rotation like that. And you see the keyframe is added automatically. I'll drag then the indicator right here and select that keyframe, the very first one. Control C to copy it, and with indicator at the very end, Control V to paste it. So now if we play, you will see that we have the swing down and swing up. If you would like to give more motion, place indicator at the very center, bring it down even further like this. Keyframe gets updated automatically, and now if you play, you have a more swing. Now we have to make it more smooth because as it goes down, immediately jumps back again. To make it more realistic, hold Control button and select every single keyframe. Then right click and select easing. Now if you play, you will see that it goes down, it stops for a while, and then slowly goes back up again.